Okay, so today's video, money myths. Money is the root of all evil. So let's get into this video. Today's agenda, is it true? The facts, the problem, and what's next. So let's go. So is it true? Is money really the root of all evil? Well, no, it's actually untrue. Money is not necessarily the root of all evil because there are people that do evil things, evil actions, cause many crimes that had no root cause as to do with money. The facts. Did you know, according to UNODC, men who kill their intimate partners tend to have better jobs, enjoy a higher standard of living, no criminal record, better education, fewer gaps in employment, and their main causes for these deaths were jealousy, possessiveness, fear of abandonment, and mental illness. So a lot of these crimes, these murders that were done by these partners had nothing to do with money. These murders and crimes were killed, these people killed their partners necessarily based on jealousy and possessiveness, fear of abandonment. This has nothing to do with money. So when people say money is the root of all evil, it's not the root of all evil. Yeah, sure, there are some crimes and murders and, evil things that are done in this world that are caused by, people having a lack of money, but it's not the root of all evil. Money is not the root of all evil. Some people are just evil, period. Some people just do evil things, evil crimes, regardless. They had no, root cause or driver to do with money. Like if you watch that the Netflix documentary or program with Dharma, he did a lot of crimes and it had nothing to do with money. He had a desire to kill these people, and the desire was, more to do with like his love and enjoyment for like human organs and so on. So it had nothing to do with money. The problem with this thinking, it makes you believe that money is an evil thing to acquire or pursue. It makes you start thinking that, oh, money is an evil thing as well, but that's not necessarily the case, because there's plenty of people that do good things with money too. It stops you associating any positivity with money. So you start thinking that, okay, money is the root of all evil. So now you start associating money as an evil thing. But there are people that do good causes with money. There are people that are, doing good gestures with money. So I don't want you to associate evil and money as anything closely related. So what next? You need to understand that evil exists regardless in this life. Evil exists, in certain people from childhood. As they grow up, they just, got associated with wrong things and, they became evil, or some people just believe they were born evil. But at the same time, I understand that also good exists. There's lots of good things that go on in this life too, so money is not necessarily the root of all evil. Yeah, money does cause some people to do some evil things, but it's not the root of all evil. So it's not true, it's a myth. So your action items for today's video. 1, I want you to remove this myth from your thinking. If you have this belief in your mind that money is the root of all evil, I want you to remove that from your mind and no longer believe that, as we can see that is a pure myth. There are plenty of people that do crimes to children. Yeah, they do crimes to children, and the children had nothing to do with money. They did crimes, that were just, from purely evil people. 2, your action item is to see money as a resource. Don't see money as something that's associated negatively. See it purely as just a resource, a means to an end, and not give it any negative associations. Okay, and usual, like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment below, and I'll give you my 2 cents.